Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jolene and I make relaxing videos here on YouTube. Now I just came from a grueling week of exams. I had five exams last week and I totally neglected my hair through the course of last week. This is what my hair looks like. I mean, it still retains some of its shine because I would still put like moisturizer in it, but I wouldn't put any water. Can you hear that? It's dry, it's crusted, it's busted, it's dusted, and I'm disgusted. Okay, it's rough. I just want to give it a really good deep condition today. I'm actually gonna start off deep condition my hair on dry hair. I usually deep condition after I shampoo, but whenever I feel my hair is feeling this dry, I've neglected it this much, and by this much I mean like 10 days. I'd also do this routine anytime I took out like a protective style, like maybe like braids that I've had in for a long period of time, to just get that moisture back into my hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys the little mixture that I do whenever I want that extra kick in my deep conditioner, so keep on watching.
Sugar, spice, and everything nice. These were the ingredients chosen, but Professor Utonium accidentally added an extra ingredient to the concoction.
The truth is I'm on vacation and I have too much time on my hands. But anyways, let's really get into today's video. Let's start mixing, shall we? To an empty bowl, I'm gonna add some Hello Hydration. This is one of my favorite rinse out conditioners, as well as moisturizers, as well as some TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. This makes me feel like I'm digging into a bowl of ice cream. Smells so good. I'm also going to be adding the ORS Hair Restore Hair Mayonnaise. Next, I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil. I just eyeball it really. And olive oil is really good at adding moisture to your hair. And then next are my essential oils. I have lavender oil. That reminds me of the rice water challenge. I also have my homegirl Rosie. I don't know how to pour these things. I also have my guy almond. Okay, that poured a lot better. But I just generally like almond oil even as a sealant on its own. I have some good old tea tree oil. Are you guys seeing any drop? So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it all together. Doesn't it look delicious? No it doesn't. Hi, it's me again. Okay, so I have it all mixed up here, trying to incorporate all those ingredients, because by themselves they're amazing, but together they're the Avengers. It's kind of funny because Endgame is coming out this month. So, did I just put a spoon in my head? Well, yes. Yes, I did. If my parents could see me now. Well, I said I was gonna start off with pretty dry hair. You know, you guys can hear the crunch, you know? I am going to wet my hair a little, make it a little bit damp. So you guys know I use, again, Hello Hydration and just some water in my hair. I use this to moisturize and seal, but I basically use it for everything, huh? Let me just zoom out a little bit so you can see my entire head. Sweet big old head of mine. Just gonna go ahead. My hair's already basically in two sections. You can just put one out of the way. And just go ahead and apply like I usually do. This one is more slippery because of the oil than they would be by themselves. So deep conditioners are primarily for your ends to allow them to have adequate moisture. My hair already feels great. Wow. This is amazing. I love this. Love. Primarily for your ends. I just said that. But it's also great for the rest of your hair. You want to make sure that your ends retain moisture so that they don't fall off and break, and that's how you're able to retain length and you're able to see the growth that has occurred. However, the hair at the top of your scalp is pretty important too, okay? So you want to make sure that the entire length is getting some conditioner. But I mean, if you run out of some, then I say focus on your ends, but try not to run out. Oh, my hair, look at that, y'all seen that? After not detangling my hair all week, I'm having a bunch of shedding, but my hair feels great. You see, I know how much works for me and my hair, so if you do decide to try it, it will depend on the thickness of your hair, the density of your strands, the length of your hair, super important. So you have to know how much, you know, you have to just eyeball it to see how much would work for you. I have no particular measurements, but I don't ever think that there's such a thing as too much deep conditioner, because y'all know this is the best part of your hair care. Alright, no strand gets left behind. And of course, I do have some in here still. My middle is my problem area, so I locate the middle and I make sure that I add some deep conditioner there. The back in the middle as well. These parts want to be babied. This is me tutoring them so they can catch up with the rest of the class, huh? Sometimes I do like the end of my lock, but it's not necessary because it's gonna retain the length anyway. And then I do the roots for sure. And I still actually have a little bit left back. Clearly I was showing off for the camera how much I used. If it's like a significant amount and you have a jar with a lid, you can go ahead and put it in a jar and then you could use it the following week. It doesn't spoil or anything, but this is not a lot, so I'm just gonna put this just distributed throughout my hair. Sometimes I also put deep conditioner on my scalp. People say not to because it can clog your pores. Good for them. I do. Because I find like sometimes it kind of soothes my scalp, especially like now when my scalp doesn't feel too good because I've neglected it all week. Y'all know we about to get everything out of here, so I'll dip my hair in, swirl it around, get some of that excess, that access, and I'm trying to pacifically, not specifically, pacifically get my ends. And I just clean it around. Look, wow, it looks like I just washed this bowl on. But yeah, and now my hair is drenched, absolutely drenched in deep conditioner. Ah, I love it. I have to put on my plastic cap as well as my shower cap, just adding that extra heat right back there. And then of course I'm gonna use my Tai Chi heat conditioning cap to just allow the deep conditioner to penetrate my hair. I'm gonna be underneath here for about the next 20 minutes. Okay, this looks a little bit weird. Let me put it makes my hair feel super soft and super moisturized, and this particular mixture gives my hair, you know what, a little extra punch so that I can really put back any moisture and just like give it a little. My hair needed a spa treatment, guys. I just did 5 exams. Like, come on, she deserves this, okay? I just sent her on a shopping spree. This is what she needed. And I don't do this every single week. I just use a regular deep conditioner every single week, and I usually use it after I shampoo. But today I'm deep conditioning first, and then today I'm gonna use one of my favorite shampoos that I mentioned in my 5 top shampoos video. Go check it out. I'm gonna be using the Cream of Nature sulfate free shampoo because I always like to condition after I shampoo. I'm gonna be using Trust Me Purify and Replenish conditioner. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like this video, leave a comment down below because I love when you guys leave comments and I get to interact with you. Share this video with a friend so they too can grow healthy hair. Do not be stingy, and subscribe to the channel because I've realized that a lot of you that watch my videos, you aren't even subscribed. And excuse me, sir, ma'am, what's wrong? You can go ahead and just hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, it's totally free, and I'd super duper appreciate it. You guys can go ahead and share with me the kinds of videos that you would like to see from me. I did a poll on what you guys wanted to see next in my Habits for Healthy Hair video, and so I was able to put out videos that you guys said that you wanted to see. So as opposed to, you know, just making them on a whim and hoping you guys like them. So if it is that there's a particular video that you like to see, go ahead and just comment down below and I'll be happy to bring that to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are growing, we are glowing, our hair is growing, and I'm just super appreciative of you guys' constant support. Always remember to stay hopeful, stay faithful, and stay loving. I'll see you guys in the next one. Blessings.